Today we are going to see the topic friction. Till now we had seen about an broader school bags ban to reduce the pressure and atmospheric pressure. These and all we are seen in the last class. Today we are going to see the friction. What is friction? Friction is a force which arises in between the two layers. Here a thinking corner is given. Ram is a good student, but sometimes he does not care about the cleanliness of his surrounding. Once he got a banana from his mother. After eating, he just threw the peel of banana on the path of his house. What happened when you slip? When you step on the banana peel, you will be falling down because it reduces the friction between your palm and the floor. So, when his brother crossed the path, unknowingly he kept his leg on them. He fell down with a scream. Ram rushed out and helped him. This incident occurred because of his negligence. He realized his mistake. He took the peel of banana and put them in the dustbin. He then asked himself how the peel of banana had made his brother slide over the path. Could you help him? That is the friction. Banana peel reduces the friction. If the friction is reduced, you are not able to walk properly, you will jerk and fall down. If the friction is more, you won't be walk at all, you will stick with the floor. So Ram's brother fall down due to the lack of friction. That is the answer. You have studied the force are classified into two types. One is contact force and another one is non-contact force, isn't it? In this, friction is the one of the contact force. It is easy to hold the tumbler due to the friction between the surface of your palm and the tumbler. If you apply some oil on the tumbler, it will reduces the friction between your hand and the tumbler. So you are not able to hold it. It is difficult to hold it. The tumbler will jerk from your hands even if you are holding because of friction. This shows oil reduces the frictional force. So using this we are applying the oil for the machine to reduces the friction force and easy to move. Origin of friction. Frictional force or friction arises when two or more bodies in contact. When two bodies are in contact, even in the machine, the two bodies are in contact. If the oil is in between, that will move smoothly. If there is no oil, they will erode one over the another and the sound it will create. Sometimes, if you open the door and close also the hinges where the metal fixes the door, there the hinges will be there. If the hinges is started rusting or anything else, it will make an different sound when you open the door or close the door. At that time what we will do, we will apply some oil on the hinges. That makes the friction to be reduced and the door will be easy to open and close without noise. So this shows the friction between the hinges metals will be reduced by applying oil. Frictional force or friction arises when two or more bodies in contact move or tend to move relative to each other. So we can say that friction is also an relative motion between the two layers when they are in contact. It acts always in the opposite direction of the moving body. This force is produced due to the geometrical dissimilarities of the surface of the body which are in relative motion. Effects of friction. Till now we have studied an friction by example, banana peel, applying oil. In between two layers the frictional force will be there. That also the frictional force is a contact force. Till now we have studied this point. Then now we are going to study effect of friction. What happen if the friction is reduced and what happen if your friction is increased? For example, if you are walking in the normal floor, you won't find difficult to walk. If you are walking in a beach sand, you will be finding difficult to walk. This shows the friction will be increased there. So the walking will become difficult. Friction is normal in between the normal floor and your foot. If you are walking in the oily floor or an watery floor, you will find you may be jerk on the floor because the friction between the watery floor and your foot will be reduced, so it will be jerk. So the frictional force will be always opposes the motion. Either it is increasing the speed of your motion, you jerk and fall, or it will be holding your path not to walk. So it will always opposite to the motion. Friction causes wear and tear of the surface in contact. This is happening usually in the machines. When the machines are applied with a grease or oil, it won't be erode with one another. If it goes on erode with one another, there will be an erosion will be started. This is called as wear and tear of the surface. The surface will be eroded and reduced. Frictional produces heat. So simply if you are rubbing your two hands, the friction produces an the surface, the motion between the two layers of your hand produces an heat. This shows that friction always produces an heat. Now we are going to study about types of friction. Static, kinetic, sliding, rolling frictions are the four types of friction. Once again I am saying types of friction. Four types of frictions are there. One is static friction, kinetic friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. From the topic itself you can understood static, stable, kinetic, moving, sliding, it is going to be slide, rolling, it is going to be roll. Between this is the four types of friction. The friction experienced by a bodies which are at rest is called a static friction. For example, if you are keeping an object at a place, it will be there as long as if some other force is applied on that, because there is a force which makes the body to be stable on that position is called a static friction. Then kinetic friction. Friction exists during motion. If you are just kicking a ball, it will be rolling, it will be moving. So the moving body is having the kinetic friction. Further, the kinetic friction is classified into sliding and rolling friction. Kinetic friction is subdivided into sliding friction and rolling friction. When a body slides over the surface of the other, for example, in a playground, you will be sliding over a slab, slanting slab, you will be sliding. This type of friction is called as sliding friction. Rolling friction, when a body rolls, you are just rolling a ball. So the ball will be rolling on the sliding plane. Such type of friction is called as rolling friction. Rolling friction is less than the sliding friction. Especially when you are moving in luggages, the luggage at the base of the luggage you will be having small two wheels that will be rolling. This helps us to use pull your luggages easily. This is called as rolling friction. Rough surface will have more friction than a smooth surface. This is given in your activity. What you have studied in this page 23: friction, origin of friction, effects of friction, and types of friction. Then we are going to see factors affecting friction. What are all the factors affecting friction? Nature of the surface. Nature of the surface. For example, the normal floor, you won't feel any difference. If the surface is so rough, it will be difficult for rolling, sliding, walking. So, nature of the surface affects the friction. Nature of the surface affects the friction. So, it is one of the factor affecting friction. Here some examples are given in your activity. Arrange some notebooks one over another to form a platform on a table. Keep a wide scale as a slide such that one of it can rest on the pile of books. Take different kinds of materials like cotton, paper, plastic paper, newspaper, writing pad. Place some glass marbles on a bowl place. First keep a rectangular piece of paper near the end of the scale which in contact with the table now releases the glass marble from the top end of the scale such that it rolls down the scale. Allow the marble to roll over the piece of paper and finally comes to rest. Measure the distance of the marble over the paper using the meter scale. Replace the rolling surface by placing a plastic sheet, wooden plank, cotton cloth. In each trial, measures the distance traveled by the glass marble. Table the distance. So what you are doing? You are rolling a small marble ball using in different surfaces, that is paper, glass, cotton cloth and wooden, and finding the distance how long the marble is moving. This shows which is having more friction, which is having less friction. Inference: the ball covers a lesser distance over a cotton cloth in compare with the distance it covers over the glass plate. What is the reason? You can easily say because of the friction is less in one surface and friction is more in another surface. Then from this activity, the effect of friction which increases as the roughness of the surface increases. Friction is more and it won't make the object to move if the surface is rough, and friction is reduced and make you to be move fast. Friction reduced, moving fast. Both are opposing forces. Both are opposing forces. Weight of the body. Weight of the body and the friction. Here an example is given. Here an example is given with the cycle. Stop.